Well, good morning, students.
Good morning to teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
Thank you. I'm fine too. Alright, thanks for asking me. So, before we start our lesson today, let us pray together. Jadi, sebelum kita memulai pelajaran hari ini, ada baiknya kita berdoa dulu ya. So, I will lead the pray. Take your position. Bapak akan pimpin doanya. Ambil posisi yang baik. So, pray start. Pray on. Alright, students. Before I will move to the next activity, I would like to check your attendance. Jadi sebelum kita mulai aktivitasnya, Bapak akan absen dulu ya. So, who is absent today? Siapa yang tidak hadir hari ini? Ada?
Hadir.
Semuanya hadir ya. Coba Bapak cek satu-satu deh. Pertama, Bayu. Hadir. Terus Julita.
Hadir.
Hadir. Mayang.
Hadir.
Putu.
Hadir.
Agus.
Hadir.
Terakhir Surya.
Hadir.
Right, so all of you is at prison, okay? Jadi semuanya hadir ya. Alright, so before I will explain the material about what we'll learn today, what if we watch a video together? Jadi sebelum Bapak akan jelaskan materi mengenai hari ini, bagaimana kalau kita nonton video dulu? Do you agree? Apakah kalian setuju?
Yes.
Alright, so here is the video. So I would like to ask you to watch the video and listen about the video carefully, and after then I would like to ask you some questions related to video. Jadi Bapak minta kalian tonton dan dengarkan dengan baik ya. Nanti setelah kalian nonton, Bapak akan tanya-tanya seputar apa yang ada dalam video, oke? Alright, so let's restart the video. Jelas ya, semua bisa lihat ya?
Jelas.
Daily activities. Things we do every day. Take a shower. Take a shower. Eat
Kalian
breakfast.
ikutin ya
Eat breakfast.
apa yang ada dalam video.
Brush my hair. Brush my hair. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash my face. Read a book. Read a book. Wash my hands. Wash my hands. Do homework. Do homework. Take a bath. Take a bath. Go to bed. Go to bed. Okay, everybody. Now it's your turn. Listen and in a big voice,
Sekali lagi ya.
repeat. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Brush my hair.
Brush my hair.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Read a book.
Read a book.
Wash my hands.
Wash my hands.
Do homework.
Do homework.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Great job, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Alright.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So that's the video that we have watched. Nah, jadi itu adalah video yang sudah kita tonton. Nah, sekarang seperti like what I said before, seperti yang Bapak katakan sebelumnya, Bapak akan tanya-tanya nih seputar apa yang ada dalam video. Jadi, pertama, I would like to ask you, what time do you wake up every day? Biasanya kalian jam berapa bangun di pagi hari? Jam 6 ya. Biasanya jam 6. And after then what will you do? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan habis bangun tidur? Ngapain aja biasanya? Mandi.
Membersihkan tempat tidur.
Membersihkan tempat tidur. Apalagi?
Makan.
makan biasanya ya. And after then, setelah mandi, kalian biasanya ke sekolah ya? Biasanya jam berapa berangkat ke sekolah? What time do you go to school every day?
Jam 7 biasanya.
Jam 7 biasanya ya. And after then, what time do you get home? Jam berapa pulang dari sekolah biasanya?
Jam 12.
Jam 12. What do you do after then? Apa yang kalian lakukan setelah pulang dari sekolah biasanya?
Makan.
Makan. Tidur ya biasanya ya. Anak kecil harus tidur siang, ingat. And after you wake up from a nap, what will you do? Kalian biasanya ngapain? Main ya biasanya ya sama teman-teman. And so on. So, alright. So now I would like to ask you about what is in the video. Jadi Bapak akan tanya-tanya nih, apa aja tadi yang sudah kalian pelajari dari video, apa yang kalian dapat. Pertama, ada wake up. Bahasa Indonesianya bangun tidur. Bagus. Kemudian ada breakfast. Masih ingat? Ada yang tahu bahasa Indonesianya breakfast apa? Sarapan. Kemudian ada take a bath, ya? Ada yang tahu bahasa Indonesianya take a bath apa? Mandi, benar. Kemudian apa lagi yang ada dalam video tadi? Siapa yang tahu? Ada yang masih ingat? Tidur. Ada yang ingat bahasa Inggrisnya tidur apa? Sleep, benar. Kemudian ya baik. Jadi after we have watched a video and then we discuss a little about your activity, what you do after you wake up and then you go to school and other activity. Jadi setelah kita tadi nonton video ya, sempat nonton video, kemudian juga kita berdiskusi sebentar tentang aktivitas apa sih yang kalian lakukan, mulai dari start from wake up and then you have take a bath and then go to school and after school you have take a nap. Jadi setelah mulai dari kalian bangun, habis bangun apa? Mandi. Setelah itu makan. Setelah itu ke sekolah. Pulang dari sekolah kalian tidur. Ya. Jadi can you guess what topic or what material that we will learn today? Jadi ada yang bisa nebak pelajaran apa yang bakal kita pelajari hari ini? Siapa yang bisa? Coba angkat tangan. Ya, Bayu.
Tentang aktivitas sehari-hari.
Bagus, tentang aktivitas sehari-hari. Jadi, I will ask you what is the English of aktivitas sehari-hari. Ada yang tahu bahasa Inggris aktivitas sehari-hari? Cerita. Daily activity. Benar, tepuk tangan semuanya. So, for today, we are going to learn about daily activity. And after you have learned about this material, I hope you can use the correct expressions or correct grammar of related to daily activity, and then you are able to make a dialogue after we have learned for this material. Jadi hari ini sangat benar kata Julita, kita akan belajar tentang daily activity atau bahasa Indonesianya apa? Aktivitas sehari-hari. Nah, jadi setelah itu Bapak harapkan kalian mampu untuk menerapkan struktur tata bahasa yang baik mengenai bagaimana cara mengungkapkan aktivitas sehari-hari. Kemudian juga di akhir pelajaran kalian Bapak minta untuk membuat sebuah dialog atau percakapan singkat mengenai menanyakan dan memberikan informasi seputar aktivitas sehari-hari. Bisa diterima?
Bisa.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's we move to the next activity. Alright, students, now we will learn about a daily activity, okay? So here I have some pictures, I have some flashcard that I will use to explain our today's material. Jadi di sini Bapak sudah menyiapkan beberapa gambar mengenai urutan aktivitas sehari-hari yang bisa kalian gunakan sebagai contoh untuk belajar mengenai materi kita hari ini, oke? Nah, jadi di sini for the first picture, what is the person do in the picture? Jadi, untuk gambar pertama, coba deh kalian lihat dulu. Kemudian Bapak tanya, apa yang orang ini lakukan?
Bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur. So, what is the English of bangun tidur? Ada yang tahu?
Wake up.
Wake up, benar. Coba semuanya barengan. Wake up. Nah, jadi, but before I would like to ask you again. What time do you wake up every day? Jam berapa biasanya kalian bangun di pagi hari?
6.
Jam 6 ya, semuanya jam 6?
Ya.
Alright, so the example of the sentence is, contoh kalimatnya akan menjadi I wake up, ikutin ya, at 6 every morning.
At 6 every morning.
So repeat once again, ulangi sekali lagi. I wake up at 6 every morning. Bagus. Selanjutnya, gambar selanjutnya ya. Ini, what is the person do in the picture? Apa yang orang ini lakukan dalam gambar? Coba lihat dulu. Mandi, benar. Ada yang masih ingat? What is the English of mandi? Ada yang tahu bahasa Inggris mandi apa? Take a bath. Bagus. Jadi, so I would like to ask you, how many times do you take a bath in a day? Jadi berapa kali kalian mandi setiap hari?
2 kali.
2 kali ya, biasanya 2 kali, yaitu in the morning and in the evening. Jadi biasanya pagi dan malam atau sore ya. Jangan mandi malam-malam. Anak kecil nggak boleh mandi malam-malam ya. So, the example of the sentence is I take a bath 2 times every day. Ulangi setelah Bapak, repeat after me. I take a bath
I take a bath
2 times
2 times
every day.
every day.
Sekali lagi, I take a bath
I take a bath
2 times
2 times
every day.
every day.
Artinya, saya mandi berapa kali?
2 kali sehari.
Oh, bagus. So now, let's we move to the next picture. Jadi sekarang kita lanjut ke gambar selanjutnya. What is the person do in the picture? Coba deh lihat.
Makan.
Makan. Ada yang masih ingat bahasa Inggris makan apa?
Sarapan.
Sarapan, benar. Tapi kalau bahasa Inggris makan secara umum adalah the general English of makan is eat. Benar. Jadi, nah, we know that there are 3 kinds of eat in a day. Jadi kita tahu ada 3 jenis makan dalam sehari. Pertama ada sarapan, benar. Kedua, di siang hari disebut
Makan siang.
makan siang. And then the last, in the night, di malam hari, makan malam. So, the English of sarapan, jadi bahasa Inggrisnya sarapan adalah breakfast. Ingat ya, bahasa Inggrisnya sarapan adalah breakfast. Kedua, makan siang. Bahasa Inggrisnya makan siang adalah the English of makan siang is lunch. Sekali lagi, lunch. Sambil diingat. Terakhir, makan malam. Bahasa Inggrisnya makan malam adalah dinner. Pintar. Selanjutnya, we move to the next picture. So, what is the person do in the picture? Apa yang mereka lakukan dalam gambar? Sekolah, benar. Thank you Putu. Jadi, ke sekolah. What time do you go to school every day? Jadi jam berapa sih biasanya kalian pergi ke sekolah setiap harinya? Jam 7. So, the example of the sentence would be I go to school at jam 7 berapa? 7. Coba ulangi sekali lagi. I go to school at 7. Benar. Selanjutnya, ini gambar. What is the person do? Tidur, benar. Jadi bahasa Inggrisnya tidur adalah sleep. Sambil diingat ya. Nah, so usually how many times do you sleep every day? Jadi biasanya berapa kali kalian tidur di setiap harinya? Biasanya kita tidur 2 kali ya, 2 times in a day. So the first is in the afternoon, and then the second is in the night. Pertama ada tidur siang. Kedua ada tidur malam. Malam ya, adik sore-sore ya biasanya tidur. Oke, so tidur siang dalam bahasa Inggris disebut nap. Sekali lagi, nap. So, the example of the sentence is I take a nap at 1 p.m. Sekali lagi, coba ulang. I take a nap at 1 p.m. Artinya, saya tidur siang jam 1. Adik-adik, what time do you take a nap usually? Jam berapa kalian biasanya tidur siang?
Jam 2.
Jam 2 ya. Jadi kalimatnya akan menjadi I take a nap at 2. Benar. Kemudian tidur malam. Jam berapa biasanya? What time do you sleep? Go to bed every night. Jam berapa kalian biasanya tidur di malam hari? Jam 10. So the example of the sentence would be I sleep at 10. Benar. At 10 every night. Benar. Ulangi sekali lagi coba. I sleep at 10 every benar. Alright. So here we have 2 last pictures. So this is the first one. Gambar apa ini? Bermain ya. Jadi biasanya, so usually after you take a nap, you play with your friends, right? Jadi biasanya kalian habis tidur siang, biasanya main ya sama teman-teman ya. So, what kind of games that usually you play? Jadi permainan apa sih yang biasa kalian mainin? Sepak bola, apa lagi? Main layangan, apa lagi?
Bermain basket.
Basket. Ada yang suka main video games? Suka ya, biasanya main apa? Mobile Legends. Cowok-cowok nih biasanya suka video games. Apalagi? Free Fire dan lain-lain ya, main di HP biasanya ya. So, the example of the sentence is, jadi contoh kalimatnya seperti, ikutin setelah Bapak ya, repeat after me. I play football
I play football
football in the afternoon. Sekali lagi, I play football in the afternoon.
I play football in the afternoon.
Bagus. Tadi ada contohnya main video games. So, contoh kalimatnya menjadi I play video games in the afternoon. Repeat after me. I play video games in the afternoon ya. Jadi saya main video game di sore hari. Itu ya. Jangan main video game sering-sering ya. So, this is the last picture. Can you guess what is the person do in the picture? Bisa kalian tebak apa yang orang ini lakukan? Belajar. Atau dia juga lagi mengerjakan PR. Bagus. So, what is the English of belajar?
Study.
Study. Benar, Bapak keceplosan tadi ya. Terus, what is the English of PR? Ada yang tahu? Home? Work. Ya, pekerjaan rumah. Okay, sorry. So, what time do you make your homework? Jadi jam berapa sih biasanya kalian ngerjain PR? Setiap harinya. Jam 7. Jam 7 apa? Jam 7 malam. So, the example of the sentence will be, jadi contoh kalimatnya akan menjadi I do my homework at 7 in the evening. So, repeat after me. Ulangi setelah Bapak ya. I do my homework at 7 in the evening. Baik, bagus sekali ya. Kalian sudah bisa semuanya. So now let's we move to the next activity again. Jadi sekarang kita akan lanjut ke aktivitas selanjutnya. Tadi kan kita udah mempelajari tentang contoh-contoh kalimatnya juga ya. So now I would like to give you some little kind of test. Jadi Bapak akan kayak ngetes kalian kecil-kecilan ya. Apakah kalian masih ingat atau tidak? Do you still remember or not about the material that we have been learned previously? Jadi tes ya. Jadi Bapak mau ngecek ingatan kalian. Apakah kalian masih ingat atau tidak tentang materi yang sudah Bapak jelaskan tadi ya. So what you have to do is, apa yang harus kalian lakukan adalah I will give you the sentence again, but you have to complete my sentence. I will give you the gap and you have to complete it. Jadi Bapak akan kasih kalian kalimat tapi rumpang ya. Jadi kalian harus melengkapi kalimat rumpang yang Bapak berikan tersebut. Do you get it? Apakah kalian paham?
Yes.
Alright, so now let we start from the first students. Nah, here I will choose one by one. Jadi di sini Bapak akan tunjuk satu per satu. Siap-siap ya. So for the first students, I would like to ask Julita. Alright, so Julita, repeat after me, okay? Ulangi setelah Bapak. Tapi Bapak akan berikan kalimat rumpangnya. Kamu tinggal melengkapi. I wake up at. Repeat after me. Ulangi setelah Bapak. I wake up at jam 6. I wake up at
6.
Okay, so once again.
I wake up at 6.
Okay. So, Surya. Jam 7 masih I wake up. I wake up
Wake up
at
at 7.
7. Sekali lagi.
I wake up at 7.
Bagus. Bayu. Masih ya sama I wake up jam 6.
I wake up at 6.
6. Once again.
I wake up at 6.
Benar. Agus. Jam 7. I
wake
up at
at seven.
7, benar. Putu, jam 6.
I wake up
At
At
6. Okay, repeat once again. Ulangi sekali lagi. I
wake up
at
at
6. Okay, very good. Last, Mayang, jam 8. I wake up
wake up
at,
at 8.
once again.
I wake up at 8.
Benar. So, give applause to yourself. Tangan. Selanjutnya, Bapak jelaskan dulu ya sentence-nya. I do my homework at, saya mengerjakan PR jam, Julita.
7.
Bapak yang kasih jamnya ya. Jam 6. Jam 6. I
I
do
do
my homework
my homework
at.
at 6.
Oke, once again. Sekali lagi.
I
Do
do
my
my homework
at
at 6.
6. Benar. Agus. Jam 7. I do
do
my
my
homework
homework
at
at 7.
7. Benar. Selanjutnya, Bayu. Jam 6 deh. I
I
do
do
my
my
homework
homework
at
at 6.
6. Benar. Selanjutnya, last students, Maya. I
do
my
my
homework jam 5.
at 5.
Benar. Terus makan malam. Makan malam ya. I have dinner at Bayu jam 7. I
have dinner at 7.
7. Benar. Kemudian selanjutnya Julita jam 6. I have
have dinner
at
at 6.
6. Benar. Terakhir ya. One last students. Putu. Jam 7. I
I
have
have
dinner
dinner
at
at
7.
7.
Sekali lagi, once again.
I
I have
have
dinner
dinner
at
at
7. Okay, give applause everyone. So, what about last sentence? Jadi, kalimat terakhir ya, kalimat terakhir. Oke. Berangkat ke sekolah. Belum ya tadi ya? Belum. Oke. I go to school, Mayang, at jam 7.
I go to school at 7.
Benar. Kemudian selanjutnya Agus, jam 8. I go
go
to school
to school
at
at 7.
jam 8. 8. Oke, once again, sekali lagi. I go
to
to
school
at
at
8.
8.
Oke, benar. Bayu, jam 8 juga.
I go to school at 8.
Benar. Terakhir, Julita, jam 10 ke sekolah.
I
Go
go
to
school at 10.
at 10. Once again. Sekali lagi.
I go to school at 10.
At 10. Okay. Alright, students. So let's we move to the next activities. In this activity, I will challenge you to remember about what have we learned today. Jadi, dalam aktivitas kali ini, Bapak akan menantang kalian nih. Jadi di sini Bapak akan ngetes kalian apakah kalian benar-benar ingat dengan materi kita hari ini atau tidak ya. Jadi prepare yourself, siapkan diri kalian sendiri, okay? But don't worry because every mistake is allowed in this section. Jadi jangan khawatir ya, kita masih belajar bareng-bareng. Jadi kesalahan tidak apa-apa ya. I will not eat you. Bapak tidak akan makan kalian ya kalau kalian salah. Jadi santai aja, okay? So in these sections, I will ask you a questions that relate to what you have to do in your daily activity. Jadi Bapak hanya akan menanyakan pertanyaan ya. Bapak akan tanya kalian mengenai apa sih yang kalian lakukan dalam sehari-hari, and then you have to answer it in a complete sentence. Jadi kalian harus menjawabnya dengan kalimat yang penuh ya, yang setengah-setengah ya. Okay? Do you get it? Kalian paham?
Yes.
Right. So now we start this sections. Jadi, so for the first students that I will choose is Julita. Bapak akan tunjuk Julita untuk pertama kali. So I would like to ask you, Bapak akan tanya, what time do you wake up every day? Jam berapa kamu bangun setiap hari, setiap paginya?
I
Wake
up
at
at
jam berapa? Kamu bangun
6.
at 6. Jadi Julita bangun jam 6 ya. So repeat once again, ulangi sekali lagi biar lancar. I wake
Wake
up
up
at
at 6.
6. Sudah bagus. Tepuk tangan semuanya untuk Julita. Give applause to Julita. And then for the second students is Bayu. Bayu, what time do you go to school every day? Jam berapa kamu pergi ke sekolah?
I go to school at
7. Oke, jam 7 ya pergi ke sekolahnya ya. So, repeat once again. Ulangi sekali lagi. I
go
to
to school at 7.
7. Very good. So, give applause everyone to Bayu. And then, next students is Mayang. What time do you have a lunch? Jam berapa kamu makan siang biasanya?
I have lunch at 2.
At 2. So repeat once again.
I have lunch at 2.
Okay, I would like to ask everyone, jam berapa? What time Mayang have a lunch? Jam berapa Mayang makan siang? Belum dengar ya? So Mayang, can you repeat?
Yes. I have lunch at 2.
Jam berapa itu?
Jam 2.
Jam 2, benar. So, let's we continue to the next students. Surya. What time do you play football with your friends? Jam berapa biasanya kamu main sepak bola sama teman-teman? I play football at jam berapa biasanya? Kalau sore-sore, ya kan?
7.
Jam 7 apakah sore?
Malam.
Sudah malam ya, sudah gelap, nggak boleh main sepak bola malam-malam. So, for example, you play football at 4, jam 4 ya, biasanya ya, sore-sore. So, repeat after me, ulangi setelah Bapak. I play football at
jam 4.
bahasa Inggrisnya at 4. Oke, repeat once again. Ulangi sekali lagi, khusus untuk special for Surya. I play
I play
football
football
at
at 7.
kok seven? Seven itu sudah malam ya. Jadi tadi kan Bapak sudah contohkan juga. You play football at 4. Ingat ya, coba sekali lagi. I play
I play
football
football
at
at 4.
4. Benar. Give applause everyone to Surya. And the last student is Agus. So Agus, what time do you make homework every day? Jam berapa biasanya bikin PR? I
I
do
do
my
my
homework
homework
at
at
jam berapa biasanya?
7.
At 7. Jam 7 malam ya biasanya. So repeat once again. Ulangi sekali lagi ya. I
I
do
do
my
my
homework
homework
at
at school.
di sekolah. Pekerjaan rumah itu dikerjakan di rumah ya, jangan di sekolah. Jadi jam berapa tadi dibilang?
7.
At 7. Coba deh once again. I
I
do
do
my
my
homework
homework
at
at 7.
7. Nah, sekali give applause to Surya. So, but I would like to ask to everyone. Bapak ingin nanya nih, setelah kalian dengar teman-teman kalian tadi, jam berapa Surya bikin PR? Ada yang masih ingat?
Jam 7.
Jam 7, benar. And then, what time Bayu ngapain tadi?
Sekolah.
Go to school. What time Bayu go to school every day?
Jam 7.
Jam 7 ya biasanya. Kemudian tadi Julita. What time Julita wake up every day? Jam berapa Julita biasanya bangun? Semuanya? Ada yang masih ingat? Jam 6 ya. Alright, so now let's we move to the next activity. Alright students, so in these sections I would like to ask you to make a short dialogue about daily activity. Jadi di sini Bapak akan minta kalian untuk membuat percakapan singkat ya mengenai aktivitas sehari-hari. Jadi do you still remember about how to express the daily activity? Jadi kalian masih ingat kan cara menyebutkan tentang daily activity? Masih? Masih, okay. So, but before that, I would like to divide you into a few pairs of students. Jadi di sini Bapak akan mau bagi kalian untuk menjadi beberapa pasang siswa. So, do you want me to divide you or do you want to do it by yourself? Jadi kalian pengen Bapak yang bagi atau kalian pengen bagi sendiri? Bagi sendiri ya, semuanya setuju? Okay, so find your pairs. Jadi cari ya pasangan kalian sendiri-sendiri. And then do you have questions about how to make a dialogue or do you still don't understand about this task? Apakah kalian masih kurang paham tentang tugas yang Bapak akan berikan ini? Tidak, sudah paham semuanya? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now I will give you about 5 to 10 minutes to do this task. Is it enough for you? Jadi apakah Bapak akan kasih kalian waktu 5 sampai 10 menit. Hanya kalimat singkat ya, hanya percakapan singkat. Apakah cukup 5 sampai 10 menit?
Cukup.
Cukup ya. So now do your task and then I will wait for you, okay? Jadi kalian silakan bekerja, Bapak akan tunggu.
Finish, sir.
Okay, the other, have you finished? Sudah selesai? Semuanya sudah? Alright, so now I would like to ask first pair to perform your dialogue. Jadi Bapak akan minta pasangan pertama untuk mendemonstrasikan dialog yang sudah kalian buat. So who want to be the first to present the dialogue? Siapa yang mau pertama untuk berdialog?
Ya.
Agus, okay. Now time is yours.
So, what time do you go to school? I go to school at 8. The bell are more ringing. I take you late. Yes, I woke up late this morning.
Okay, so everyone give applause to Bayu and Agus. So that's all. Apakah sudah selesai?
Yes.
Sudah ya. Jadi katanya tadi Bayu terlambat ya datang ke sekolah. You are late to come to school because you wake up at 8. Bayu bangunnya telat jam 8 tadi ya. Besok-besok jangan kayak gitu ya. Okay, and then who want to be the next to present the dialogue? Siapa yang mau selanjutnya? Okay, Julita.
Have you done with your homework? Yes. What time do you make homework? I make my homework after school. Wow, you are very good.
Sudah? Apakah sudah? Have you done? Sudah selesai? Okay, give applause everyone to Julita and Surya. Jadi, so in their dialogue, they are talking about what time did Surya make his homework. Okay, so I would like to ask everyone, what time did Surya make his homework? Based on the dialogue, jam berapa tadi Surya bikin PR berdasarkan dialognya? Jam 6 ya. Apakah benar? Coba dicek lagi di dialognya. Jam berapa?
After school.
Right after school ya tadi katanya. Jadi langsung setelah pulang sekolah. So Surya is very diligent because he make his homework right after school. Jadi Surya sangat rajin ya karena sudah bikin tugas langsung setelah pulang sekolah. Tepuk tangan untuk Surya and Julita. So now for the last pair of students in this class.
Do you wake up at 6 in the morning?
Yes.
Celia, do you usually help your mother to clean the house every day?
Yes.
That's all?
Ya, udah selesai.
Okay, give applause to Putu and Mayang. So I can conclude here that Putu are very diligent because he wake up in the morning and then help her mother to clean the room, right? Oke, jadi Putu di sini sudah sangat rajin karena dia begitu bangun tidur langsung bersihin kamar ya. Tepuk tangan untuk mereka berdua. Alright, now let's we move to the last activity of today's lesson. Jadi kita akan lanjut ke aktivitas terakhir di kelas ini, di pertemuan kita hari ini. Jadi kalian senang kan udah aktivitas terakhir?
Senang.
Alright, so after this you can take a rest or take a break. Jadi kalian bisa istirahat dulu ya, nanti belanja di kantin, boleh. So here I have a task for you that you have to do. Jadi Bapak di sini punya lembar kertas, but I do apologize that I only print 4. Jadi Bapak cuman cetak 4 lembar saja, 4 kopi saja. So one of you, two of you will be in a group, okay? Jadi ada yang satu kertas dikerjakan berdua ya, nggak apa-apa ya?
Yeah.
Alright, tapi nilai kalian akan Bapak kasih to individual. Jadi nilai kalian tetap nilai individu, okay? So here is your task. This yours, and this is yours, and this is yours. Nah, jadi Mayang and Putu, also Julita and Surya, okay? So, in that task, everyone please listen to my explanation. Jadi dengarkan penjelasan Bapak dulu ya, jangan dulu jawab ya. So, take a look at the A part. Jadi lihat dulu bagian A. Nah, so there is a picture and also a descriptions about what is the person do in the picture. Jadi kalian baca dulu di dalam kotak kuning tersebut ya, penjelasannya apa. Kemudian kalian tarik garis atau gambar sebuah garis. You have to draw a line to the pictures based on the sentence. Jadi kalian buat garisnya berdasarkan gambar yang ada di sana. Jadi sudah paham untuk bagian A? Do you understand for the A part?
Yes.
Okay. So now take a look at the B part in the next page. Next page, halaman berikutnya. All of you please open the next page. Halaman berikutnya, buka. Adik buka dulu halaman berikutnya ya. Please listen to my explanation carefully so you can make your tasks in an appropriate way. And then, so for the B part, so there is a story di bawah, in the bottom. So there is a story, but there are some gap informations that you need to complete. Jadi di sana ada bagian-bagian rumpang yang kalian harus lengkapi. So how can you fill the gap? So you have to take a look at the picture above it. Jadi kalian harus melihat gambar yang ada di atasnya. Jadi di sana sudah ada contoh nomor 1. Please take a look at the picture number 1. Coba lihat dulu gambar nomor 1. All of you please take a look at the picture number 1. Lihat gambar nomor 1. What is the person do in the picture? Apa yang dia lakukan di dalam gambar tersebut?
Membersihkan kamar.
Membersihkan kamar. So the English of membersihkan kamar is clean. Jadi kalian sudah Bapak contohkan untuk nomor 1 di sana ya. Can you take a look at the story? Bisa kalian temukan di dalam story-nya? Bisa?
Bisa.
Okay. And then for the rest you have to do the same. First, you have to take a look what is the person do in the picture, and after that you have to write it down at the blank part in the center, in the paragraph. Jadi lihat dulu gambarnya, kemudian isi titik-titiknya dalam cerita tersebut. So far, is there any questions to do this task? Ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum kalian mengerjakan ini?
Tidak.
Semuanya tidak?
Tidak.
Alright, so now I will give you around 5 until 10 minutes. It is enough for you? Apakah cukup kalau Bapak beri waktu 5 sampai 10 menit untuk mengerjakan tugas ini?
Cukup.
Cukup ya? Semuanya cukup ya? Alright, so now please do your tasks. Alright, students, have you done with your tasks? Sudah selesai?
Sudah.
Semuanya sudah?
Sudah.
Alright, now let's we discuss it together. Okay, for the A part, I wake up at 6 every morning. Gambar mana? Yang ditunjukkan gambar mana?
Ada.
Coba semuanya Bapak lihat kerjaannya satu-satu. Mayang and Putu sudah benar. Kemudian sudah untuk Julita sama Surya ya. Kalau Bayu sudah benar. And Agus sudah. Yeay, tepuk tangan untuk semuanya. Give applause to yourself. And then for the second, I read the book every night. Which picture is pointed? Gambar mana yang ditunjukkan? Gambar paling bawah pojok kanan. Semuanya sudah?
Sudah.
Everyone correct? Semuanya benar?
Yes.
Okay, now let's we move to the last. Yes, for the last. I play football with my friends every afternoon. Which picture is pointed? Gambar mana yang ditunjukkan?
Gambar nomor 2.
Gambar yang sedang bermain
Sepak bola.
sepak bola. So everyone correct? Semuanya benar?
Benar.
Okay, so give applause to yourself. Alright, so I think you have understand about the A part. Now let's we move to the B. So, my Sunday routine. I would like to ask you, what is the meaning my Sunday routine? Rutinitas hari Sunday apa? Minggu. Ku ya, soalnya ada my. So, I would like to read the paragraph here, and then you need to complete the blank, okay?
Okay.
Can anyone agree? Semuanya paham?
Yes.
Setuju ya?
Yes.
Okay. Every Sunday morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. After then, nomor 1. Coba baca semuanya barengan.
Clean.
Clean. I clean my bed and my room. I immediately, number 2, nomor 2.
Take
Take a bath. Okay, take a bath at 7:30 after I help my mother in the kitchen. I blank 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 number 3. Can anyone? Semuanya apa? Eat. Ya. Based on the picture, eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. While number 4. What is the answer for number 4?
Watch.
Watch, okay? Watch some of my favorite cartoons on the TV. Dia nonton kartun favoritnya ya di TV. Biasanya hari Minggu kan banyak tuh ada kartun, okay? Alright, continue. At 11 o'clock, I go to my cousin's house to number 5. What is the answer number 5? Apa jawabannya? Play, okay. Play some video games with him. Then we number 6. The last number. What is the swim? Atau based on the picture, what is swim? Berenang. Okay, swim together at his pool in the afternoon. So after we have discussed about A and B part, is there any sections that you have wrong answer? Apakah kalian ada yang salah jawabannya? Semua benar ya. Okay, so give applause to yourself. Alright, now I think you already understand about how to use the expressions of giving. Alright, okay. About giving informations relate to daily activity, and also you have already compile or complete the tasks very well. So give applause to yourself, everyone, once again. Alright, now, before I will close this class for today, so this is because the time is almost done. Before I will close this class, I would like to ask about what have we learned today. Jadi sebelum Bapak tutup pembelajaran hari ini, Bapak mau tanya deh sekali lagi nih for the last time before we end this class. Apa yang kalian sudah pelajari hari ini? We have learned about daily activity atau aktivitas sehari-hari. Can anyone mention what kind of daily activity that you have learned? Bisa nggak kalian sebutin contoh-contoh aktivitas sehari-hari yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Mulai dari pertama, di pagi hari kalian bangun. What the English of bangun tidur? Wake up. And then habis bangun ngapain? Mandi. What the English of mandi? Take a bath. And misalkan kalian makan, apa bahasa Inggrisnya makan? Eat. Jadi kita juga mengenal adanya makan sarapan apa? Breakfast. Makan siang? lunch. Okay. And makan malam, dinner. Right. And after that we have kalian pergi ke sekolah, ya? Apa bahasa Inggrisnya pergi ke sekolah? Go
Go to school.
Go to school. And then after school, pulang dari sekolah, kalian tidur
Siang.
apa bahasa Inggrisnya tidur siang? Take a Kalau take a bath, mandi. Kalau tidur siang, take a nap. Bagus, Mayang. Take a nap. Kalau main sepak bola,
Football.
play football. Bagus, dan lain-lain ya yang kalian sudah pelajari hari ini. So like what I said in the first of this lesson, I hope that you can use the appropriate expressions of giving informations about daily activity. Jadi Bapak harapkan kalian mampu paham dan bisa bagaimana cara mengungkapkan aktivitas sehari-hari yang baik dan benar. Bayu dan Agus, perhatikan dulu ya. Listen to my explanation. So, before I will close this meeting or this lesson, let's pray together. Jadi ada baiknya kita doa dulu ya sebelum mengakhiri pelajaran hari ini. So, I will lead the pray. Take your positions, ambil posisi kalian yang nyaman. Pray start. Pray and. So students, thank you for today's. Thank you for your attentions. Terima kasih banyak ya untuk kalian sudah hadir hari ini dan sudah memperhatikan Bapak dengan sangat baik. So now I will leave the class. So goodbye everyone. Selamat tinggal semuanya.
Goodbye.